May 1st, 2011 at Thomas's. I'm going to help him today with doing a little repair, continuing on the FJ40. He's got just a lot of work completed since the last video with infilling, and he's got both rear quarter panels in now. And of course, there's that rear sill piece that we had done previously. And here's the passenger side rear quarter panel. And down here along the... So it's just coming right along. Just to show you what can happen after 38 years. For instance, just on this rear fender well, 32 holes that needed to be filled in and tapped out and whatnot. So today we got some little rust that we're going to contend with up here on the driver's side rear, where the seats and seat belts mount. We got a little rust that we're going to contend with today, and then it's going to be possibly getting in and cutting in where the gas filler tank goes with the new quarter panel, and so just going to keep plugging away. One of the first projects that I helped with Thomas was this rear door seal, and here's the finished product with it in place, and the welding, and I'll see if I can't bend down here enough to get the inside shot here, but this just came out remarkably well, how it came in the corners. So this was really crucial because that's what the spare tire mounts to. And then we had the door post where the latch goes was just terribly misshapen. This is what it looked like to start with. And then that's what the finished product was. And you know, 38, 39 years of use, you can only imagine, off-roading and whatnot. Things happen, and so in the process of just getting this thing whipped back into shape. So we've made some progress today. I've taken two of the brackets. Here's the matching ones. One had a stripped nut to it, so got those cleaned up, and then they'll be going back in. And what we've just done, we've just cut these two sections out, and then those are going to get welded back in. We're going to have a little fab here with getting this seam cut across into this piece here, so got a little work ahead of us yet, and here are a couple more brackets that I'll be working and cleaning on today. So, yep, making progress. Alright, some of the patchwork going on that we've got done so far. So there's two of them, and then some of the holes that we've filled. So I'll just keep plugging away here. We've got a little work that we're going to have to do up here on the dash as well, filling in and doing a little repair. That's for another weekend, so making good progress though. Alright, well there's the semi-finished product. That unfortunately was my first attempt at wire feed welding. Not too good, but hey, first time learning experience. Progress, name of the game.